Galaxy AI may have made its debut with the premium Galaxy S24 series, but it is also available on Samsung's mid-range Galaxy A series. Samsung has shared several videos that show what you can do with Galaxy AI, or rather what Galaxy AI can do for you. These features are available on the Samsung Galaxy A56, Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A26. By now, you're probably familiar with Circle to Search. Now there is also AI Select, which pops up relevant actions based on what's on the screen, e.g. scan a QR code, make a GIF, etc. The Read Aloud feature can basically turn long articles into podcasts. Object Eraser should also be a familiar feature, which removes unwanted objects from a photo. You can also use Edit Suggestion, which finds issues with an image and offers one-tap fixes. It can erase reflections, blur the background, and so on. The Samsung Galaxy A56 has exclusive access to a couple of tools. Best Face snaps several photos and lets you pick the best expression for each person in the shot for groups up to 5 people. Auto Trim simplifies the process of creating a highlight reel by analyzing several videos, picking the best moments from each and editing them together. You can play around with different transition effects between each video. The Galaxy A phones have filters for your images, of course, but they also let you create custom filters by extracting the color and style of an image you like.